If you want to share internet of your Poco C85, you can actually do that by opening the settings. Now you will have to go for more connectivity options and go to the portable hotspot. Before you turn it on, you should actually set up your hotspot. So click over here. And first of all, you can change the name of your hotspot. The default name, it's the name of your device, but you can pick here any name that you want. And here, this is the password. So it's super long. I will definitely recommend you to change it for something that is much easier. Of course, you can just set this up to your preferences. Here for the security, I will switch to the WPA3 personal. It's more secure option. And here you can also activate the 5G AZ, but it's not supported for every device. So this one I wouldn't actually change. And the last option, there's the option to hide the name of your hotspot. For some reason, if you want to do this, click on. Now to apply those changes, click on the right upper corner, and you can also set the one-time data limit. Over here, for example, you can set to use, for example, only 200 megabytes, and after that, the hotspot will turn off. So if you want to limit amount of the data that someone will use, you can use that feature. But if you don't care about this one, you can just simply click on this switcher to turn it on. And now we can find this QR code. So you can let someone scan this QR code to quickly connect into your hotspot. And there's also the password. And there's also the last option, turn off hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected. So if you want to get your hotspot to be always turned on, you have to remove that option. And here you can also check connected devices list. You can also limit of connected devices. For example, if you want to only allow to connect 2 devices, you have to select 2. And here you can even find the block list. So if someone connect and you don't like it, you can just simply block this phone from connecting to your hotspot.